You're going to be using the Earth-Sun Applet to help you see the difference in the ray of the sun and the intensity and the angle that the sun is in for the two different latitudes that you have. So taking a look at what we have here so far, I've got 28.0 degrees north and 47.0 degrees south. Well, north is going to be San Francisco. And remember, we have this as 37 degrees latitude. So I've got this one set. And for the south, we had the same latitude for Melbourne, Australia. So I need to set this one to 37 degrees also. You'll need to do the same thing on yours. You need to make sure you've got the same latitude for both. And now I'm noticing the angle of the sun for San Francisco, the angle of the sun for Melbourne, Australia. And it's giving me the degree of angle, and it's also showing me the date, so January 15th. Now, what I want you to do is capture information for the same week that you have your temperature data for. And if you just click the advance button, it's going to rapidly go around. So what I want you to do, and work together with your partner on this, is you're just going to click one day at a time. Okay, and you're doing the 21st, I believe, the last week of January. So when you get it to this date in your data collection or in your spreadsheet, you're going to have San Francisco, a column for San Francisco for latitude, and a column for Melbourne, Australia for latitude and for sun angle. And so then you're just going to record for January 21st, the sun angle for San Francisco, the sun angle for Melbourne, and then advance another date and the same thing, the sun angle for both cities, and collect your data again for the same amount of time that you had your temperature data and that you had your daylight, hours of daylight. And this is showing you the angle, the sun's angle for that amount of time. Okay? And then after you have that done, you're going to go back to your spreadsheet and create a graph to show the differences with the sun angle for San Francisco and for Melbourne, Australia. If you have any questions, just go ahead and put your hand up. I'll be walking around the classroom to make sure that everyone is comfortable with this and that you've got the materials that you need open and you're collecting the data that you need to continue with your model of the Earth-Sun relationship and our reasons for the seasons. Okay? Good luck.